What's up, y'all? Sparta here. And apologies if you hear a cat purring. I just got back from the store, so she missed me. Same with panting, but I want to do an unboxing of a camera that I decided to get because I've been looking at getting a camera for a while. I just have been looking into it more and seeing what they can do. Stuff like that. And for $449, I got the Canon EOS Rebel T7. And, here are all the specs. 24.1 megapixel camera, full HD video, 3 frames per second. That's just stills. So that's not the greatest, but it's decent. I think most newer, like more high-end cameras do like 30 FPS stills. Basically, if you're familiar with smartphone cameras, what that is basically the burst mode. You can equivalize it with that, and that's basically what the 3.0 frames per second means. Has Wi-Fi too built in, so that's really nice. So you can sync it across multiple devices and stuff like that. But what you get in the box is basically usual books. You get a camera strap, which is actually really nice. Even for like $450, well, $480 technically, if I'm counting the taxes. That's really nice. So here's the battery. Here's what I would assume, obviously, is the lens. Yep, here's the lens. So it's a removable lens. So even though this is like $450 MSRP, you do get the option of getting better lenses if you want to. So that's really nice as well. Here's the unit itself. And apologies that I'm doing this one-handed. I'm using one big old phone to record this while juggling 2 different pets right now that want to be in my face. So, yeah. So, Canon EOS Rebel T7. Initially, by the in-hand feel, this feels really nice. I really have no issue with how this feels in the hand at all. Give me a second here. I had to wipe the lens of my V60 off here. So yeah, you got your lens cap right here. Again, 24 megapixel camera. I assume this is the shutter button. Have all your settings and stuff right there. As you guys can see, there's me. No flip out screen, flippy screen, none of that. It's just a basic screen, which I'm totally fine with. You got your viewfinder right here. It's a basic DSLR, so it's not a mirrorless or anything like that. But for $450, I think this is going to be a perfect fit for me for now. Get down, Roo. Go. But yeah, it's a very nice looking camera. It's very quality feeling. I guess I'll just show you guys the I/O here real quick. You got a mini HDMI. You got your USB right there. That's not micro, thank God. And you got a mic jack, which is actually really nice. Even a lot of more expensive cameras, like from Sony and stuff like that, don't have mic jacks. So that's really nice. Yeah, that's really good right there. Let me look for... Here's the battery compartment here. Unlike a lot of phones these days, cameras still have removable batteries. Let me put this phone down real quick. All right, so here's the battery compartment and the SD card slot compartment. Apologies, the V60 is struggling a little bit. I did have to put it on the wood table here, so I might have to just do this real quick. But yeah, really nice. Let me do this real quick there. The V60 was overexposing a little bit. So yeah, battery compartment, like I said, I'm gonna put the battery in right now. You got a battery charger right here, so if you want to get a spare battery or something like that, you can indeed do that. What I'm noticing right now is I don't see a USB cable, so that's kind of whack. It, but I guess the I don't know. That's kind of whack. I'm not really gonna make any sort of excuses for that. But go back to autofocus here. Apologies for the mess on the table. This is indeed the coffee table, and honestly, that's just how it is right now. So I'm gonna put the battery in. I do have a SD card adapter. I have it in my laptop though, so I'm definitely gonna have to get that. If I don't have it at the house, if I don't have it at my mom's house, I'll probably just end up getting an SD card solely for this. But I did want to put, say, a bigger SD card in there just so I can see how well it handles it. But yeah, you got your tripod mount right here. Got your what they would call a hot shoe, I believe. So that's really nice. Overall, it's a really nice camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lens on here real quick, and we'll see how that looks. All right, so here is the EOS Rebel T7 and all of its damn near $500 glory here. Looks really nice. Feels really good in your hand, you know, like what a lot of reviewers like to say when it comes to phones. But yeah, the grip is actually nice. Obviously, I'm not holding it in its actual how it's intended to be held, but it feels really good in the hand so far. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple I'm going to be testing this out. Obviously, I can't really do it right now, but it's indeed something that's really nice. But I guess I'll just take a shot right here. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. As I said, this is a really, introductory camera for me personally. I haven't really used dedicated cameras like that, but I want to see how smartphones really do hold up to dedicated cameras these days. And while sure this isn't the big booty A7S3 or your EOS R6 or R5, it's going to give me a little bit of an introduction and a gist of what I would expect from a dedicated camera. So this is Sparta. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for support. Hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, whatever time or day it is in your area. Have a good one. And I guess this is actually going to be the thumbnail. Have a good one, you guys.